Hello everyone, welcome to GlitchSip, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how we're going to be able to install mods in Minecraft PC or Minecraft Java. For that, what we're going to have to do is enter the website curseforge.com, which is the page that normally everyone uses to be able to install mods, and in this case, we're going to have to logically look for the mod that we want to install. I don't know, let's look for one that catches our attention. Let's just type animals and search for it, and we're going to see a mod that we like. Let's say I like this one right here, the Animania Extra Animals one. We're simply going to click download, then we're going to click install this version right here, which is the latest one, and there we're going to have to wait 4 seconds, well, 5 seconds in total, until it installs by default inside what would be our computer. Now, the next thing that we're going to have to do is open the folder Files. In Downloads, here is where our downloaded mod is going to be located. Now, what are we going to have to do? We're going to have to press Windows plus R. We're going to press Windows plus R, and in this case, this Run panel opens. We're going to click, well, I already had it open, but I'll show you. We have to write it exactly like this, %appdata%, and then click Accept. In this way, this new window opens. Well, this is the File Explorer, where we're going to have to look for the folder .minecraft. Now, you have to be careful, because if you use Minecraft Bedrock and Java, you're going to see two Minecraft folders, .minecraft and Minecraft Bedrock. In this case, we're going to focus on the .minecraft folder, and here we're going to go directly to what is the mod section. Now we're going to go to Downloads, we downloaded the mod, and we're simply going to move it to the Minecraft Mods folder, and in this way we're going to be able to install all our mods in Minecraft Java. And well, that would be everything. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to GlitchSip, and I'll see you in the next video.